Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today we are going to be making these cute little hot chocolate holders. These make great vendor events. I'm actually going to be making some this year, sending them to my kids' classrooms. Don't mind my sweet tarts. I didn't have any little containers or small marshmallows, but this is a little spot you can put little treats or even a cute little straw. This straw is not cute, but it's the only one I had in my house. But you can buy the cute little straws from the Dollar Tree, the paper straws, and you can place it on the side. Or you can get small little tube containers, which is what I'm going to be getting, and fill them up with small marshmallows. Tie them to the side, and it makes little cute hot chocolate holders. So let's begin in showing you guys how to make this. This is an easy fix. You can use lots of your scraps. When making these, you can make little sentiments to place on top of here. I'm going to add like a little circle or whatever. I plan on buying more die cuts, the little punch outs, so we can do way more paper crafting without a Cricut machine or a silhouette. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is have a cardstock piece. Oh, Lord. Measuring 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Just one is good. I don't know which color I'm going to use in this video. I think I'm going to do green. And then you want to have a scrapbook paper piece measuring 4 inches by 5 1/8 of an inch. You want to have a ruler and a hole punch, some thread, some tinsel, whatever you're going to be using. I'm just using this thread here. I plan on maybe buying some little cute small Christmas tinsel because I think these are cute gifts to send around Christmas time when their classrooms are having Christmas parties. So let's begin. You want to go ahead and get your scoreboard. And then you want to take your scrapbook paper, your cardstock, and you want to score at 4 1/4 of an inch. You're scoring at 4 1/4 of an inch on the 8.5 by 8.5 inch side. Then you want to flip it over, rotate it over, and then you want to make a small mark at 2 3/4 of an inch. Don't score it, just make a small mark so you know where it's at. So as you can see, I just made a small mark here. Now you want to take your scrapbook paper and you want to make a small mark on the 5 1/8 inch side at 2.5 inches. So again, I just made a small mark where I can see. Now you're going to trim those where that mark is at. So take your scrapbook paper. Where's my mark? And you can see your mark here. Now what you want to do is you want to trim from the mark to the score here. So go ahead and take your scissors or your trimmer, place it in, and you're going to make a diagonal cut like this. And you're going to do the same thing here. So you're going to start here and just cut to the edge where it's a diagonal cut. So now you have your pieces cut. You can go ahead and remove your scoreboard. Go ahead and fold this piece here. Bone it so your edges will be straight. Then you're going to take this piece here and you're going to use adhesives to stick it here. You can use your liquid glue. You know I always use the art glitter glue. Or you can use your tape runner. I will be buying me a new tape runner very soon because these Elmer ones have been giving me issues. Then you go ahead and place your cover piece on top. Now you'll take your hole puncher and you're going to punch holes, 2 holes right next to each other. You want it about 5/8 inches into your project. So this is where the ruler comes in. I'm just going to eyeball it, but you want it about at 5/8 inches to the inside. You can use your ruler and mark it, but I'm just basically eyeballing it. Then you want to put another hole punch right under it. So then you'll have a hole punches like this. These does not have to be perfect because it will be covered with whatever little sentiment you place on the side. You can also skip this step and don't add anything to it, or you just have a holder for your hot chocolate. So then you're going to open it and you want to place a piece of tape here. I don't have any double-sided tape, so I'm just going to use my tape runner again. But you'll place it as close to the edge as you want. So you close it so that way it holds the hot chocolate. And go ahead and close it up. Now you have your pocket for your hot chocolate. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your string, your tinsel, your thread, whatever you're using, your ribbon to tie on your little goodies you will attach to the hot chocolate holder. And you're going to thread it through the bottom loop first. And then you're going to bring it around to the top and stick it through the top loop. Now you'll have this loop here. Once you thread, you'll have this loop here. And that's where you'll insert your straw, your treats, whatever you're placing there. So let me just grab something real quick. So I just got 2 Smarties. You'll place them there. You'll go ahead and tie your treats. Make a bow. Cut off your ends, your edges, whatever you're going to do to finish it off neatly. My bow is all messed up, but insert your cocoa pod packet and you're good to go. You can also add a little sticker here with your business information. So if you are selling these, so at vendor events, don't mind me, this is just my address label. You can add your little business information at the back. So if you are selling these at vendor events or even giving them away, it's a good way to promote yourself and to get yourself out there. Again, this is an easy to do paper craft. You can use scraps doing these. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you think. I said it's don't stop.